In recent decades, the rate of extinction in both the plant and animal kingdom worldwide is somewhere between 100 and 1,000 times historic levels. In Michigan alone, there are 138 endangered species as of 2009, major causes being loss of habitat and invasives. Plants play a major role in the makeup of a habitat. Habitats are defined in part by the plant communities that exist in them, but also through characteristics like hydrology and soil type. However, plant species have a distinct survival disadvantage. They can't migrate. This makes it harder for them to avoid immediate extinction.
Potentially one of the most endangered plants in Michigan is the Michigan monkey flower. It's the only plant species in Michigan that only grows in Michigan.
The Michigan monkey flower grows in both peninsulas in habitats often taken up by vacation homes or near beaches that are groomed for tourism. Virtually every native plant in Michigan is a food source for some other animal. Plants have a much higher chance of survival if they spread out geographically and can adapt to different living conditions. In some instances, symbiotic relationships can exist between certain plants and animals, meaning if one were to go extinct, the other would soon follow.
I think that plants don't get the attention that animals do. A lot of times when people talk about endangered species, they don't use plants and they don't use insects or snails or something. They always use large mammals or large birds because I think that's what people are kind of more naturally drawn to.
There are two federally threatened and endangered butterflies in Michigan, the Karner blue and the Mitchell satyr. In an effort to increase the population of these butterflies, controlled burns are conducted by the Department of Natural Resources to expand their habitats and hopefully increase their numbers. The Michigan DNR and the Michigan Natural Features Inventory are the two main agencies that conduct all of the work with state-listed endangered animals. Efforts by the DNR have paid off for the gray wolf, as their population has increased significantly. The Endangered Species Act is how animals get listed at a national level. Anyone can nominate a species by petitioning the Fish and Wildlife Service to determine if it's threatened or endangered. For more information on all of Michigan's endangered and threatened species, visit michigan.gov/DNR. If you've enjoyed this seedling on Michigan's endangered plants and animals, be sure to check out swakstudios.com. Click the on-demand link and search Seedlings. I'm Jennifer Corman, and every seedling matters.